Therefore, I firmly believe that being an optimist creates opportunities and hope. So there are certain things that I'm doing every day to stay positive frame of mind. For example, exercising regularly to burn the stress. As a team, we are trying to find opportunities in every challenge that is coming to us, and there are challenges emerging every day. Different sorts of challenges that are emerging every day. We are also trying to use humor very liberally as a stress buster. Also, what we are trying to do is to celebrate even smaller successes with all our team members. Be it a birthday, be it somebody who's joining us amongst this lockdown, be it somebody who's actually leaving us and the last day. So therefore, we are celebrating all these small moments with our team. And I strongly feel that also being in this communication business, our responsibility towards the society at large is getting more and more important and very critical at this juncture. We must tackle the problem of misinformation, the fake news, the wrong news that is going around, the WhatsApp messages that are not right. Apart from populating trusted news sources, we must also be socially responsible right now in marketing products and services and not prey on mass hysteria. To do all of this, I think business continuity is extremely critical. However, all of this, I would say, is not possible if we do not have a business continuity plan. Given the lockdown and the remote working, a robust business continuity plan is very essential. We had been planning this remote working for as early as February, given the China experience and the learning from our offices there. During these tough times, I strongly feel it's very important to communicate to everybody that you work for, your teams, and obviously the clients that you are serving. We have an internal com strategy and we have an external com strategy. Our internal com strategy basically hovers around 3 points. It demonstrates our people first culture, regular interactions with all our teams on a daily basis. We're using a central point of information to develop a consistent point of view of impact of this outbreak in our industry and for obviously for our consumers. We're also trying to help each other as a community in tough times, and especially those who are living on their own. In Mediacom India, we've identified almost 20 kids who actually are home alone because they couldn't travel back home because of the lockdown, and therefore we've connected them to other Mediacomers or other Group M people who are staying in the same vicinity and given them a Spock in every city whom they could reach out to in case of any emergency. And we are also calling them the home alone kids, even though they want to be called flying solo kids. Our external communication strategy includes regular interactions with our clients and all the other key stakeholders to keep them updated with the impact of corona on media and their business interests. Thought leadership POVs on the corona situation is regularly shared with clients to keep them abreast with the evolving situation. We have a WPP point of view, we have a Mediacom point of view, and we also have a Group M point of view that is being developed on a weekly basis, and as this situation keeps evolving. I just hope we come out stronger on the other side of this entire crisis. As a community, we are more respectful, responsible, and resilient. I think that's the learning that we have for the future. Thank you so much.